Today I am making a cute glass cow cup. I saw this SVG file on Etsy and I was like, oh my gosh, it was so cute. So let's make it together. Also, for the vinyl that I use a variety pack that I got on Amazon. It's the Oracle 651 and I love it so much because it comes with so many different colors and you can create so many designs without having to buy separate rolls. So it's perfect for a beginner. The first thing that I usually do is cut out my permanent vinyl. I like to have my designs sort of close together and not spread out because it saves me permanent vinyl. I know some people, they have the SVG file ready to go and cut that wraps around the glass, but I found that that takes up too much space on the vinyls and I need to make the most of everything that I buy. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. These are the colors that I went with. I went with this white, this brown color, pink, yellow, and this looks like black, but it's actually a dark brown, and that is for the nostril part. Oops. Before I apply any type of permanent vinyl to my glass cups or any surface at all, I like to clean it off with alcohol or alcohol wipes because it cleans the surface of any oils and dirt, and the vinyl just sticks better that way. First up is the white vinyl. Just cutting the white vinyl. You can kind of see the outline of the cows. I can't see nothing. I'm gonna turn this light on. All right, said I was gonna mess it up and I did. Next one is the brown for the nose part. These ones are tiny, so I'm hoping that when I go to weed them out, they don't lift with the vinyl. Success! All of them are finally cut out. After I cut them all out, I use my transfer tape. This one is the Cricut transfer tape. And I transfer and layer my designs onto the cup. First one I'll do is the white permanent vinyl. I'll put that on the cup, and then after that I'll do the rest. But make sure that the color that's in the back, like the very, very base color, goes on first, because then it'll be messed up when you try and go layer everything. It just won't look right. So make sure that your base color goes on first. Here is the first cow head, and I just make sure that's firmly pressed on there before removing the transfer tape. This is what the white vinyl laid on looks like. Next up, I'll do the brown and put the horns on the cow. This is the result of adding the horns. Now I'll just add on the rest of the colors, but I'm not going to film it because my camera's about to die. So I'll get back to you when they're all done. This is the end result. I think it's so adorable. Look at it. It's like pink cows. I don't know if this is my favorite design as of right now, but I am in love with this print and I can't wait to list it on my website. I feel like a lot of people would like this. However, if you are a DIY queen or king, I'll have the SVG file linked below, and everything that I used in this video, from the cup to the lids to the permanent vinyl, will be linked in the description for if you want to use what I use today. But yeah, thanks for watching my short and quick video, and I'll see you next time.